In this video, I'll show you how to add or remove programs from the dock on your Mac. So if you want to add or remove applications from this navigation bar at the bottom, the first thing you need to do is just open the application that you want to add to this dock. So for example, let's say I wanted to add the Zoom application to this taskbar. We're going to open it up like so, and once you've opened the application, you'll see that it will temporarily appear in this bottom dock here. So in order to permanently keep this application located in the dock, what you need to do is just hold down on the application at the bottom here like so. Come over to Options and then select Keep in Dock. And now what will happen is once I close out of the Zoom application, you can see that even though it's closed, it will remain in this dock navigation down here. And if you want to remove this, then all you need to do is hold back on the application again, come over to Options, and then you can just select Remove from Dock, and it's going to remove it from this list. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.